Okay, so we're going to show you how to remove and clean an X-axis bearing. First thing we do is remove the X-axis stopper. Stops the carriage running off the end. Then we remove the buffer pieces like that. And then we remove these two M10 bolts going into the bearing. Gently take those all the way out of the way, out of the hole, and the other one. Then we need to we can slide the bearing off there, but just use this block of wood to just hold this carriage up while we are cleaning the bearing. Slide that in there like that, so then this will come off, but we also just need to remove this air line. It's just a push-in fitting, so that comes off like that. Simple as that. We clean these bearings with some WD-40 and an air line, compressed air, and we just want to make sure that these are rotating with inside the housing, all of the channels there. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 channels. We just want to make sure all of those are recirculating. The balls recirculate through the back of the bearing. Just make sure there's no dust, a bit of oil in there, and away we go. So to put this back together, it's just the reverse of what we've just shown you. Be very careful that you don't damage these seals when they're going back in. So slide it back on, just like that. Back underneath, connect the air line before we get too far. Lost it. There it is. It goes in, push that in, that's our oil line. Take our block of wood out, make sure these holes are properly aligned. Screw the M10 bolts straight back in again. Like that. And the other one. So just wait until you've got both bolts in before you do them too tight. Just gently tighten that one up, then that one, a little tighter, and then tight. That's it, that's back on. And we put our buffer back on. And then our stopper stops the carriage going off the end of the machine if we overrun. It just screws straight back in there. That's it, we're done. So once we've done that, we do just one bearing at a time. So we've done that one, we move on to the opposite front, this one here, and then to the back area here, that one there, and then across to that one there. Now those back ones need to slide off towards the back of the machine, not the front of the machine. Back ones go to the back of the machine, front ones go off the front of the machine. And that's it.